Recently, we have got some information about the selling of universal aura scanners sold by AstroDevam by some other persons who are claiming that they are our agents or they are having our franchisee rights. I strongly refute all these claims. AstroDevam has never given any franchisee or dealership or agency to any person, not only for Aura scanner but for any of our product or service. We sell all our products or services including the best universal aura scanner through our websites only. Our master website is astrodevam.com, through which we are selling our best universal aura scanner, incidentally which has achieved grand success. So do not buy any other person who is claiming to be our agent, dealer or franchisee holder, because you will be cheated and duped. And moreover, I personally give the training of the aura scanner, which is extremely unique, because I activate your kundalini in the training so that you can get best results from your aura scanner, which has been provided by AstroDevam. Besides our website, we also provide these wonderful gadgets called universal aura scanners on the website Amazon and Flipkart, but there also these are sold in the name of AstroDevam. So don't be duped or being cheated by buying these wonderful result oriented gadgets from any other person. Thank you. I am Achar Kalki Krishnan from astrodevam.com.